This is Biomio Relax. How you use Biomio is you can upload a landscape photo here, or you can select from one of 100 samples. I'm going to select sample 19 here. What Biomio will do is generate an abstract artwork here based on the landscape photo that you selected, and also Biomio will generate a calming passage for you, which it will read aloud.
Breathe in the tranquility of this sunset sea. The sky blushes with soft blues and pinks, clouds like wisps of cotton gently floating. The sun dips low, its golden glow painting the still, turquoise sea. The water's surface mirrors the sky, creating a harmonious reflection. In the foreground, a sandy beach sprinkled with pebbles invites calm and unity, as the natural elements blend in harmonious balance.
Now, if you prefer that Biomio does not read the passage to you, you can click the mute checkbox here. You can also save the artwork with the landscape photo by making a collage. Click this button and then download the collage using this link. Let's have a look. Here's the collage. Let's try another sample, but before we do that, if you upload a photo which is not a landscape, like this picture of my kids and myself, then Biomio will just ignore your photo. Let's select another sample. And these sample images are from the Kaggle datasets. And Biomio uses Qwen2 Vision.
Breathe in the tranquility of this mountain haven. A crystal clear lake, as turquoise as the sky above, mirrors the clouds drifting by. Rolling hills embrace the water, their green expanse speckled with rocky outcrops and shrubs, creating a soothing pattern. The absence of human touch allows nature's harmony to resonate. Let the gentle slopes and winding paths guide your imagination, inviting you to wander in peace.
In addition to Qwen2 Vision, Biomio also uses Mistral Nemo, and both of these LLMs are hosted on Nebius AI Studio. Let's make a collage, download, and have a look. Here's the collage. So this is how Biomio helps you relax. Thank you.